One sunny day, in a land far, far away, lived a tiny, brave Thunderbird named Thunder. Thunder was not like the other birds. He had the power to create thunder and lightning. Thunder was always scared to use his powers, as he was afraid they might scare the other animals. But one day, a terrible storm approached, and the other animals were in danger. Thunder knew he had to help. He took a deep breath and closed his eyes. With a mighty flap of his wings, he summoned the thunder and lightning. The storm passed quickly, and the animals were safe. Thunder felt proud and happy, knowing he had helped his friends. From that day forward, Thunder was no longer afraid to use his powers. He learned that being brave can help others and make them feel safe. Every night, when the stars twinkled in the sky, Thunder would fly high and create a beautiful shower of stars, a thank you to the animals for accepting him. The animals would watch in awe, and their hearts would fill with warmth and gratitude. Thunder became a hero in the hearts of the animals, and they lived happily ever after, safe in the land far, far away. The end.